Hello students, I am Chelma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Now here coins related problem. Now see that n coins tossed one time or one coin tossed n times, then n of s is equal to 2 power n. This is total sample points. N coins are tossed one time or one coin tossed n time, then n of s is equal to 2 power n. Why we got 2? In coin, there are two results. One is head, one is tail. Students, are you understood? Right. If one die rolled n times or n dice are rolled one time, then n of s is equal to what? 6 power n. Why I am writing 6 here? On the die, there are 6 sample points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Students, are you understood? Once again, I am repeating. If n coins tossed one time or one coin tossed n times, the number of sample points n of s is equal to 2 power n. If one die rolled n times or n dice rolled one time, the number of sample points is equal to 6 power n. I think all of you understood now. Now see here, first point, when n fair coins, fair coin means unbiased coins. Okay, n fair coins are tossed, the probability of getting exactly r heads. Out of n, there are r heads. Remaining means out of n subtract r, n minus r. N minus r are tails. The probability of getting exactly r heads or r tails, whatever may be. Here see that how many coins are tossed? N coins. Now required probability P of E is equal to n of E by n of S. What is n of S? 2 power n. N of E is E be the event of getting exactly r heads, or out of n coins get r heads. Then what about n minus r coins? N minus r tails only. N minus r, see, n minus r means these values should be 1. So finally answer is NCR by 2 power n. This is shortcut formula. Next, second one. When n fair coins are tossed, the probability of getting at least one head. Here is important. At least one head, at least two heads, at least three heads, like that. If you are tossed n coins, I am expecting heads. I am expecting heads and tails. 0 heads, 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads, 4 heads, and so on up to n heads. 0 heads means n tails. 1 head means n minus 1 tails. 2 heads means n minus 2 tails. Total how many number of coins tossed? N. We get n results. N results. 0 heads means, so that meaning is all results are n tails. All results are tails only. Are you understood? Now, this is total probability. This is total probability. Total probability means 1. Okay. What they are asking? The probability of getting at least one head. At least one head means at least, minimum, at most, maximum. Already you know that. At least one means we can get either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6 and so on. That means These are all. At least one head means these are all conditions. So this is a case 1, case 2, case 3, and so on. Case number of cases are there. That's why I'm going to reverse method. What is that? Total probability minus
Okay.
probability of getting 0 heads. Probability of getting 0 heads. This method is very easy. Probability of getting 0 heads meaning is all getting tails only. So you'll get answer 1 minus NC0, 0 heads. 0 heads means all results tails only divided by total sample points 2 power n, n of s. NC0 means 1, NCN also 1. Overall, this is 1 minus 1 by 2 power n. Here formula is there now. 1 minus 1 by 2 power. Here they are given at least one head. Sometimes they will ask at least two heads. At least two heads means what? See, this is total probability. That is one. Subtract these. So these value is required. Total probability minus. Subtract this. 0 heads, 1 heads. How we get? See, total probability minus probability of getting 0 heads, 0 heads minus probability of getting 1 head. Okay, now 1 minus probability of getting 0 heads means already I am written here. That is NC0 by 2 power n minus probability of getting 1 head NC1. Remaining n minus 1 are tails only. N minus 1, C n minus 1, that is 1 by 2 power n. Like this. Students, are you understood? Right. Now, see the third formula. This is, remember it. A coin is tossed m plus n times. M is greater than n. Then the probability of getting at least m consecutive heads is n plus 2 by 2 power m plus 1. Here remember it, this word. Remember it, this word. That is important. N plus 2 by 2 power m plus 1. Okay. I think all of you understood now. These formulas are very, very important. The probability of getting at least one head when we toss 3 unbiased coins. 3 coins tossed. What is n of s? 2 power 3. That means 8. What is the event here? E be the event of getting at least one head. So here only 3 coins now. We can write, we can do general method also. If you are tossed 3 coins, what are the results? Tell me. All heads. And 2 heads, 1 tail. Here, head, tail, tail, head. Now 1 head, 2 tails. See, tail, tail, head. All tails. These are total sample space. Number of sample points, count it. Total 8. Here what they are asking? At least one head. Here one head is there. Here one head. Here. This is we can't count. Here totally how many sample points are there? Total 7. So n of e is 7. So P of E 7 by 8. Okay. This is one method. So I'm going to reverse method. What is that? Probability of getting at least one head. at least one head. That is equal to total probability minus probability of getting no heads. No heads. No heads meaning is all tails. All tails only. Students, are you understood? 1 minus. How many coins tossed? 3 coins. Out of 3 coins, 0 heads. That meaning is all coins getting heads only 3C3. Okay. Now calculate this. 1 minus 3C0 is 1. 3C3 also 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 cube, 8. 1 minus 1 by 8, 7 by 8. This is the answer. Or you can follow shortcut method also, no problem. So finally, which option correct? Third option. A tosses 2 coins. A tosses 2 coins. If 2 coins tossed, what are the sample points? Tell me. These are total sample. 2 coins tossed means 2 heads possible. 1 head, 1 tail. That means first coin is head, second coin is tail. First coin is tail, second coin is head. Another margin is 2 tails. This B. Now B tosses 3 coins. B tosses 3 coins. 3 coins means what are the results? Sample points. H, H, H. Head, head, tail. Here head, tail, head. Tail, head, head. Next, head, tail, tail. So here possibilities. Tail, head, tail, 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 head. All the tails. Okay. Now, what is the condition? See here. The probability that B obtain more number of heads. B obtain more number of heads. Here write that first B, next A. Okay. For suppose I am expecting that B 3 heads. B 3 heads. A's possibilities 2 heads, 1 head, 0 head. B obtains more number of heads comparatively A. That is the condition. So if you are getting B, if you are taking B is having 3 heads, then what about A? Less than 3 only now. This is first case. Now go to second case. B having 2 heads. Then what about A? 1 head or 0 heads? 1 head or 0 heads. Here I am taking only heads. If B obtaining 1 head, B obtaining 1 head, then what about A? 0 heads. 0 heads. Both are independent. Okay. Now go to the required probability. Required probability. Probability that is equal to, in first case, B having 3 heads. See that in B there are number of sample points 8. 3 heads possible only one time. That is 1 by 8 into independence here, events here. A having 2 heads, 1 head, 0 heads. 2 heads, 1 head, 0 heads. So here we can take all sample point. That is 1 by 4. This is only first case. Now go to the second case. Second case, B having 2 heads. See here 2 heads. Here only possible 2 heads. How many sample points? 3. Total 8 into second. See here A having 1 head, 0 head. Here 1 head, 0 heads. How many possible? 3 chances. Total 4 plus. Now I am going to third case. Third case, see that B having only one head having 3 chances. That is 3 by total. B having one head means A 0 heads. 0 heads where it is possible? Here only now. That is 1 by 4. Okay. Now 1 by 32 plus 9 by 32 plus 3 by 32. 3 by 32. Students, total observe that. What is the answer? 13 by 32. 13 by 32. So here 3 heads, right? Correct. Here 4. 2 heads, 1 head, 0 head means all the chances. All the chances. That is 4 I am not written. So here 4. This is 9 plus 4 totally 16. 16 by 32. That is 1 by 2. So which option correct? Third option correct. Students, are you understood? Here 3 different cases we are getting. Okay. So follow the conditions, apply the probability, you'll get answer. Okay. So in third case, this is third case. Totally 3 cases are possible here. I think all of you understood now.